Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If your TCL Smart TV turns on, you can hear sound, but the screen stays completely black. Don't panic. This is a common problem that many TCL users face, and today I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your TV working again. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. The first thing you should try is a power cycle. Unplug your TCL Smart TV from the wall socket and wait for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This drains any extra power and resets the system. After that, plug your TV back in and turn it on. Many times, this quick step fixes the black screen problem instantly. Step 2. Check HDMI and external devices. If the problem continues, check all of your HDMI cables and connected devices. A loose or damaged cable can send sound but no video signal. Remove and reconnect the HDMI cable, or try a new one. Also, make sure your external devices like streaming sticks, set-top boxes, or gaming consoles are working properly. Step 3. Backlight test. If your TV still has no picture, it could be a backlight issue. Take a flashlight and shine it directly at the screen. If you see a very faint image, that means your TV's backlight is not working. In this case, you may need professional repair or replacement parts. Step 4. Factory reset. If everything else fails, try a factory reset. On most TCL Smart TVs, there's a small reset button at the back or side. Hold it for 20 seconds with a pin or paperclip until the TV restarts. This will reset your TV to its default settings and may solve the issue. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the black screen with sound problem on your TCL Smart TV. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe Tech Vibes for more troubleshooting guides and TV fixes. Thanks for watching.